Okay, so let's open with the question. I would like to know from you, our listeners, what do you know about the mitochondria? When you think of mitochondria, what is the first thing that comes to mind? And there's no right or wrong answer here. It's just whatever you think you know about the mitochondria, put it in the chat. Yes. Okay, here we go. I'm going to read some responses here and show them on the screen. We have ATP, also known as adenosine triphosphate. We also have the powerhouse of the cell. Oh, we saw that coming a mile away. Energy producer. Fantastic. Motor of the cell. Very interesting. I like that interpretation as well. Very good. Someone said not much. Well, if you keep watching, you're going to find out a little bit more than not much. And then we also have converts sugar to ATP for cellular energy. Fantastic. That's right on the money. So congrats. A lot of you already know quite a bit about the mitochondria, if not, the basics. But today we're going to learn something really cool about the mitochondria, and that it's not just the powerhouse of the cell, it's the powerhouse of our bodies. And it also has some diverse functions other than being strictly just a powerhouse of the cell. So, with that being said, I'd like to turn it over to Amy, who has a fun fact for us about the mitochondria.
Yeah, it's actually a very important thing to understand about mitochondria, which is the fact that they're derived, and this has been worked out over the course of many different studies. Our human mitochondria are actually derived from bacteria. So millions of years ago, what seems to have happened, and this was worked out by several evolutionary biologists and people over time, is that our human or other eukaryotic organisms that have sort of our human types of cells were infected by bacteria. And key to what a lot of bacteria do is that they infect the cells directly and get directly inside them. That's when they're called an intracellular organism, an intracellular bacteria. So once they've gotten inside that cell, now they are in the atmosphere of what the cell uses to do all the different things that it's going to do.